皆さんこんにちは。Hi everyone. みほこです。It's みほこ。In this video, you can practice having a conversation in Japanese. How we do it is, first, I will speak as person A in a dialogue. And then, you can speak as person B. After that, we can switch our parts. Don't worry, you can read both parts on the screen in Japanese and English. では、始めましょう。Let's get started. 会話 Dialogue。 うちのお母さん2ヶ月前に猫2匹引き取ったの。So my mom adopted 2 cats 2 months ago. 私も Me too. でもお母さんね、猫のうちの1匹が妊娠してるって気づいたんだ。But she realized that one of the cats was pregnant. それでこの間母猫が5匹子猫を産んだの。Then the mom cat had 5 kittens the other day. いや、お母さん、子猫たちの里親探さなきゃダメかな。Yeah, I wonder if she has to find those kittens' foster families or not. Let's switch the rule. Now, you speak as person A and I will speak as person B. Wow, 私猫大好きなんだ。いいな。Wow, it's so nice. I love cats. 5匹も ?5 kittens? じゃあ今お母さんのうちに7匹も猫がいるの？ So, your mom has 7 cats in the house now? はい、どうでしたか？ Okay, how was it? I hope you enjoyed practice like that way. This time, I made a practice video in casual Japanese speech style, but I will make polite speech style with a different dialogue as well. Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video! Bye! またね